Hey Matt, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about Trinity roofing and restoration. But before we get into that, I want to shed some light on how you could be found on Google and how it affects your business. So with that, let's get to it. So let's just say, for example, we type in water damage restoration Sugarland. The top way, one of the ways on how you could be found is the sponsored area here, and usually that takes some Google ads to land you up here. The second way on how you can be found is this Google My Business profile area, which is the map pack area. So these three positions acquire 30% of business just for being in these three spots. Now, the way to get up here is boost your 5-star reviews, optimize your Google Business profile, and also you want to boost your citations. So those are a few of the things that are required to get into these three positions with these keywords, of course. Now, the third way in how you can be found is the organic section, which is these three top positions here. 70% of your business can be acquired here. So keep in mind, if you're not in these 6 positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. So with that, that's pretty much the 3 different ways on how you could be found on Google. So with that, let's get to your website. So I like how you did your logo up here. It's on the top middle. I usually see them on the top left. You have your drop downs here and your services. But as we know, Google loves content, and content is king. So let's take a quick look. I like the layout. I like how these popped out. And I went down, scroll down, scroll down. Awesome. Love it. I love the footer as well. You do have your address here, areas that you serve. So, but as we were discussing earlier, Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. For every 250 words of that, Google really likes for you to put a keyword. So content is king, but it's one of the major ways on how you can rank your website on Google. So other than that, your website looks really good. From the looks of it, it looks like you maybe have, let's see, probably 100 to 200 words of content in a nutshell. So with that, let's go to your competitor. Okay, now this is ADU, looks like. All Dry Us, and their website looks pretty outdated, but they are, let's see, they have some content. Let's take a quick look. They have roughly, I would say, 100 words of content that on their website. So definitely content is not their strong suit on this, but I do not see any keywords as well. So, but in a nutshell, this is your competition that's out there right now. If, let's just say, you want to tackle water damage restoration for that area. So moving forward, now, next thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Now, when you type in Trinity, Restore, Texas. This is basically a bird's eye view of what your website is doing and what it's doing for you. So it looks like you have about the same power as you do the trust. You have about a 78 traffic volume going to your website. So these are what the numbers pretty much look like as far as what your website's doing for you. So let's take a quick look at your keywords. It says you have 383 keywords that you're using. So 373 of those words are actually being used. So, but just in a nutshell, this pretty much tells you the volume, search volume that each keyword is that you have. So, and we have access to all this stuff. Like I said, this is a tool. It's called Ahrefs. Anyone can buy this tool and kind of take a look at your own website. So, and how to improve it, so on and so forth. So let's look at your competitor. Now they have about 41,000 traffic. Wow, going through their website. So that's a lot of traffic, and that's just the looks of it for restoration. But like I said, we have access to keywords and everything else just as well. So you can always optimize, but with proper SEO backlinking, you can definitely blow these guys out of the water. So, I mean, like I said, content is king, but also not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that all your backlinks are organically, are organic and not just any other backlink. Like say you don't want someone to search Pizza Hut and they'd end up going to your site. So we don't want that. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much all I have for you. Let's do a quick recap on what we discussed. So, like I said, there's 3 different ways on how you can be found. There's the sponsored area here, the Google Map Pack area here, where 30% of your business can be found. 75% of your business will be found in the organic section here. So, with that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. If you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995. Or you can reach me, Joshua, at petersonseoconsulting.com. And also my contact information will be at the bottom of my email with this video. So, with that, Matt, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.